I am planning to show you a very simple strategy, the SuperTrend strategy, to do crypto scalping, forex scalping. I use it for different markets. I'll show you how I actually use it. I combine it with more indicators, but you can probably try to do it on your own. At least verify your trades with two other time frames. We'll talk about that as well. Tell you three trades that I just took with this strategy. Keep in mind that the video is not financial advice. If you want to help out the channel, slap the like button or I'll slap you subscribe because I'm trying to hit 50k subscribers because my enemies are coming. And it told me, Niki, you gotta get 50k subscribers. So that's what I'm trying to do. Help me out here. I'll also tell you a little bit about my sponsors. If you wait until the end, I'll show you how you can get $525 from AMEX Exchange if you want to trade futures with pretty much no questions asked exchange. So, what is the SuperTrend indicator and why do I have multiple of these? Full transparency here, I saw this indicator from the moving average, I believe, a few months ago or some other channel, and I just had it on one of my trading templates. And it's working really well for me to verify strong trends because the biggest issue you have as a trader is trading right here. If you trade right here, especially on the lower time frame, you go in for a short, you get stopped out. Go in for a long, stopped out, right? So this dead space, the only way to verify you are out of a dead space is to actually use the some indicator. Pip Hunter has one as well that shows you strong trends. You want to get in on strong trends. So the first thing you want to do is get TradingView if you haven't already. I have a link for it in the description down below. Go there, download TradingView, sign up. I'm using the biggest plan they have because I want to have a bunch of indicators sometimes stacked up for some strategies. You can also keep it very simple. It all depends on your trading preferences. There's nothing wrong with having no indicators, one indicator, or a bunch of indicators. If you're profitable, that's all good. Uh, you want to click right here on the indicator section and you want to type in Super Trend. I'm using this one with 29k downloads from Kivans Ozbligic. Thank you, by the way, for it. You can also use any of these. Brokers also have it on, like you can have one on AMEX Exchange, Binance. Training 212, I have it for stocks. I use Ducas for forex. I'm not sure if they have the super trend indicator, but I guess they do. I'm actually up a lot on this. You did JPY trade, and I'll show you why. So after you get these, what I do is actually add the super trend indicator 3 times. And I use the 11. I click on settings right here on each of those. The first one, I add ATR period 11, basically, which is how much the price can go up or down. Multiplier is 2. Then you have the ATR period in 10 and 1. And for the third one, I have 12 and 3. So basically, I have 3 super trend indicators. This helps me verify stronger trends. For example, right here, this dip, you had 1, 2, 3, all the indicators combined after the end of money flow going from from green to red. The second it turned red right here, you could short, and it went all the way down. But as you can see, you can get a lot of these cool trades. Normally, before big pumps and dumps, you have the combined the indicator stacking just like so. But how do you see where is the end of the trend? What I like to use is a free indicator. It's called Vumanchu. I've already made a video on it a while ago. You can check it on my channel. But the way I look at it is I want to long when money flow, when this green or red is opposite of the direction. For example, I want to long, the money flow is red right here, so I'm looking for longs. And those I have the indicator stacked up right here. You will long here, and you can go all the way here for like nearly 100 pips. This is on the 4-minute jump. So if I have red here, I will be looking for buy indications. Have a buy indication here that failed. Buy indication here that didn't fail. Here I would have sell indication didn't fail. Sell indication didn't fail. But to actually have this super trend indicator work better, I use a bunch of other things. And that's Vumanchu, Cipher A, and Cipher B. This is basically the free market cipher. From what I understand, I've just I saw it a while ago. I basically caught GBP in USD GPY. I'm still up on this. I pretty much got in right around here on USD GPY and GBP. And the reason why I got on these trades in Bitcoin as well, along Bitcoin here, I'll show you in a little bit, was I verify this on two time frames. I want to look for at least one indicator on the 1 hour chart right here. So you have a buy here, you have the buys only 4 minute or 5 minute, you long, you can long, and then I have a confirmation from the VWAP, which I really like, and I've seen this being used by a lot of channels. When on the 3 hour chart you have this situation, you can even long right here. As soon as this, the VWAP starts turning from here, goes right into here, you can long, and here you can short, right? Let me just put this example for a short. Here you would have shorted and made money. You can use the super trend to confirm the trend, but basically you can see that there's a small candle here, then you go to the 1 hour, you see the super trend indication, a candle before that, so that's perfect, you long here, then you check the 4 minute and you've had all the indications right here, and you just go at it. Look at this, you'll see it here, and you would have seen 1, 2, 3, the three lines are here, you would long. Yes, we have a pullback, but your stop loss, the way you put it, is on the 1 hour chart. You don't want to be having stop loss on 4 minute charts, from my experience. If you're a professional trader and have a better understanding, there's nothing wrong with that. If you have a better idea, use it. But what I like to do is have my stop loss right around here. In this trade in particular, my stop loss is at 114.96. So my stop loss is 114. What? No, that's the current price. Because I'm using a new broker. Positions 37. My stop loss is right around 37. Ooh, yeah. I'm even using this one, so that's pretty steep. Because I didn't want to get. I probably can move it to here, 626. But yeah, I'm using this one because if it goes down here, it can pump as well. I don't know if it makes much sense, but yeah, I don't really get stopped out a lot, especially for USD GPY. I don't really get hit a lot of stop losses for this strategy if I wait for all these confirmations. So super trend is a good strategy, especially on higher time frame. You go to the 4 hour, right? You have the three dots, you buy here, and you can sell here for a small profit. Put your stop loss right under this, because this is also an ATR indicator. But let me know how you would use super trend. Do you have any questions? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. See you next video. Bye.